Hello friends, let's learn the opposite words. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Big, small, big, small. Laugh, cry, laugh, cry. Day, night, day, night. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Right, wrong, right, wrong. Hard, soft, hard, soft. Fat, thin, fat, thin. Boy, girl, boy, girl. Strong, weak, strong, weak. Closed, open, closed, open. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Heavy, light, heavy, light. Bad, good, bad, good. Full, empty, full, empty. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.